to be a ride-along with our fastest driver. Who is your fastest driver?
It's gonna be Dylan. Dylan! He's already ready. Oh, he's ready. He's already going.
Okay, what car are we gonna get in?
The Mustang.
Of course, the Mustang.
The Mustang.
Yes. Let's go. You wanna use that one?
Okay, we'll see. What do you think? Comment down below if you think I'm gonna scream like a little girl or if I'm gonna love it.
Oh wait, I'm gonna entice Dylan to make him scream like a little girl.
Yeah!
Dylan is going to be the driver. Oh, he ran away. Here we go. Okay.
Yeah, he's excited.
All right, Dylan, I have a proposal for you. If you can make Jace squeal like a little girl, I'll leave you a large tip.
Oh, it's on! You have to use
Shake on it.
I want you to go some high speeds. Good luck, honey. Good luck.
Welcome to Xtreme Xperience.
Yeah!
I'm Dylan, I'm driving. We got Jace, he's gonna kind of instruct me.
I'm gonna be screaming. Hard brake. Just kidding.
There we go.
He's going into make Jace scream mode. You hear that? Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh yeah, that was so good.
Right here, double strip.
Oh man! Oh my gosh, this is insane!
Come on, Dylan. Punch it! Punch it!
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, I am pressing that brake. Oh baby.
We'll let them run just a
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah.
We'll go play Chase the Cat.
Yeah!
Here we go, here we go. Come on. Come on, Dylan.
Back on through.
This is the best.
See, that's now you get the full experience. You got all the drives, and now you get the best drive and the best
Dude,
drive.
this Mustang wins. Oh man, that was amazing.
Pretty wicked, right?
Dude, that was insane.
Hands a little sweaty.
Yeah, man. He's a little sweaty.
Oh my goodness. So, Jay spent all day with us. He was in the left seat all day. Decided to jump in the right seat, see what it felt like. What did it feel like, my man?
Dude, it was insane. You are the master. You are the master, and you got me to scream. You got me to scream.
Oh yeah.
They were going so fast. I am crossing my fingers and I hope he kind of got scared.
Dylan wins everything. That was insanity.
Yeah?
Pretty good.
Was it good?
My face hurts.
You need a diaper?
Oh man, this thing was insane. Dylan
Woo!
killed
Those tires smell a little roasty. What were you hitting, do you think?
135 maybe.
135, woo! What do you think, Dylan? Did he do good?
He honestly did amazing today.
Did he freak out at all?
Oh, I freaked out.
Was there some screaming?
There's a lot of
I want screaming.
No, there was screaming.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there was times when I couldn't scream. Actually, I was like,
He says,
Oh,
man. I didn't breathe for those last 3 corners.
Yeah, I said those last 3 corners, I didn't even take a breath.
Well, what Dylan was, when he took me around the track and he was trying to teach me, he was like, breathe. And I was like, oh yeah, I need to breathe. Woo!